What's up, guys? Welcome back to RT2CC Comic Club. Justin here, and two-day recap for October 25th and 26th. I believe I'm on day 33 now of uploading every single day, so I'm trying my best to stick to the streak because I'm catching up pretty fast, and I'm really excited. So this video is actually going to be another short one because I uploaded a video already for October 25th and 26th. So just like in the last video, last recap video I uploaded, I will be putting a card so you could see those two videos if you missed them. I did talk a lot about Tesla and Amazon and kind of my general thoughts about what I wanted to do in 2019 at that point in time. So if you want to check them out, you can. If not, don't worry about it. But I will talk about something funny that happened in this video. But anyways, let's just get into it. So again, I mentioned this in the other videos, the trades I did. I bought the Tesla calls. This was right before earnings. It was the stock was relatively cheap at the time. And so I bought two calls that had this was 2 days ago on the 23rd I bought those calls. I sold them 2 days later. This was after they reported earnings. So the stock went up, made a good profit, about 50% in 2 days, so that was awesome. And then I used some of that money. I bought some more Canopy Growth calls. I was still really bullish on them at the time, and I think their price was higher at the time. So looking back now, 65 is a really high strike, but at the time it didn't seem that crazy. And then I bought some QQQ puts, which I wish I still had those, but whatever. We'll see what happens with that later. Anyways, so the stocks did relatively well on the 24th, and I did talk about that in the other video, so let's just go straight into the winners and losers. Now you can see Amazon was our top performer, but then we had a bunch of Tesla calls on that front page as well. So really, really awesome performance with the Tesla calls. That kind of saved our butt. And we actually made almost 20 grand this day. And so it really, again, gave me hope that we might have a rally. And again, it ended up being a kind of a bull trap because you'll see we lose quite a bit after this. But yeah, it just kind of sucks. I wish it would have just gone down for a bunch of days in a row because I would have sold everything. But instead, it kept going up and just tricking me into thinking we're going for a rally. So anyways, lesson learned. The losers, we'd had only a few on this day. And so, yeah, not too much. If you want to pause the video, you can look at them. Okay, so the 26th, sorry, I keep looking at my notes, but the Dow and the NASDAQ started red, but Tesla, thankfully, still kind of held on for us. And so we didn't lose too much money, maybe around 6 grand or so. I haven't calculated it, but we didn't do too bad. So going into our winners, you can see our Tesla calls, again, pulled us through. They saved us from losing a ton of money that day. And so really excited about that. Yeah, and then let's go into the losers. So we have Amazon had a really bad day because I think they reported the earnings. And again, I talk about this in the other video, so I'm not going to waste time talking about it. But you can see how our losers did there. Amazon by far was our worst loser. Okay, so I'm just going to mention one quick thing and then we'll wrap it up. So over the weekend back in October, I think it was right before Monday, right before the market opened, I saw an article that said IBM to acquire Red Hat in a deal valued at $34 billion. And I started freaking out again because I had a call option for Red Hat. At least I thought. And so I went to check my portfolio. It wasn't in there, so I was really pissed because I was like, damn it, I sold it. I went back into my transactions, and sure enough, I sold it on October 15th, and it had the exact strike. So let me go to the excerpt of the article. It said IBM will pay cash to buy all shares in Red Hat at $190 each, and I had sold it, and my strike was $190 on the dot. So I thought, I was like so mad at myself. It just because, again, it's the second time I was so close to having a really good jackpot day. Last year, I think it was 2017, I bought call options on Whole Foods, but my strike was too high, so I didn't make any money when Amazon acquired them. And so I'm still trying to get lucky. That's why I bought those Roku calls recently, which I'll talk about in a future video. But I did buy some Roku calls. I'm still hoping for them to get acquired, but we'll see what happens. It's just a speculation. If I'm lucky, sweet, I'll make a lot of money. If not, it's okay. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I will be uploading some more videos. And so yeah, hope you guys have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, thanks again for checking out this video. If you want another way to support the channel, please check out that Patreon link up there at the top. You get access to my private Discord server where we chat about different companies we're looking at investing in. I also post my current trades in real time as well as news headlines with little mini summaries. And you can also get discounts on any merchandise that we sell, like a shirt like this, for example. And if you want to just subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate that as well. You can just click that black logo there at the bottom. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.